Hey, I'm Dusty from Diagspeed USA. Just want to go over a solution that we have found for the start error on the SLK's 170 chassis and the Chrysler Crossfires. Typical problem that most people have an issue with is they insert their key into the ignition, they go to start the car, and it might crank for about a second and then stop. And immediately following that, you will see a start error inside the middle screen of the dash. Typically, what causes this to happen is low battery voltage or an issue within the K40 relay causing low power to one of the modules here on bench. When that does happen, typically, even if you replace your battery and you replace your defective K40 relay, the damage has already been done. The damage is in between these modules right here. So you have your key, which communicates to your immobilizer box that's behind the dash, or the instrument panel, and then your engine computer. These three things have to synchronize correctly for the data to be authorized and for the car to start. So what tends to happen is the data gets corrupted within either the key, the immobilizer box, or the engine computer, and sometimes all. What we provide our customers is a solution for us to be able to repair the data and get this thing working correctly back into your car. So this is our bench setup that we use to test and do our repairs with. And also we have an additional service that we provide, which is making remote keys for those cars. The dealer no longer provides these, so that we actually offer a solution. So if you would like to have an additional remote, we can do that for you. If you want just an additional mechanical key, we can also do that. A lot of different options available, but at least we have a solution for this common problem on these cars. So once again, my name is Dusty. I'm with Diagspeed USA. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll see you on the next one.